Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chinwe. Imagine earning $300,000 in just 30 days, all while traveling the world and working far less than the average person. The secret lies in creating semi-passive income streams that continue to pay you for work you've already done. Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the specifics of how I made $300,000 in 30 days, let's get clear on what semi-passive income actually is. Semi-passive income requires upfront work. You're putting in the effort to build something valuable, like a digital course, an online business, or even a YouTube channel. Once you've put in the initial work, it can continue to generate income for months, even years, to come. Think about it like this. Imagine you spend a few months writing and launching an ebook on a topic you're passionate about. You put in the work to market it, get it out there, and then it starts selling on autopilot. That's the beauty of semi-passive income. It gives you the freedom to design your life on your own terms. So, if you're tired of trading your time for money, keep watching because I'm about to break down the exact steps I took to build my semi-passive income empire. You can't build a house without a solid foundation, right? The same goes for building wealth. You need a strong foundation of valuable skills. Acquire evergreen skills that people are willing to pay for. Improve health, grow wealth, have better relationships, market online, travel the world, or understand the latest technology. Build valuable skills and create solutions people pay for. Now you might be thinking, Chinwe, that's all great, but where do I even start learning these skills? Well, I've got you covered. There are tons of amazing resources available online, but one platform I highly recommend is Expertnaire. Expertnaire is an online marketplace that connects you with top experts in various fields. You can find courses on everything from affiliate marketing to web development to personal branding. One course I highly recommend checking out is the Newbie Affiliate Marketing Expo. The best part is, it's taught by people who are actually making money with affiliate marketing, so you know you're getting real-world, actionable advice. Remember, investing in your education is one of the best investments you can make. Chapter 4. Build your portfolio. Build a solid foundation with non-passive work. Start with good old-fashioned effort. Build a reputation and a portfolio of success. Prove your expertise. Show you know your stuff. Don't just slap together recipes. Offer freelance services, develop meal plans, teach local cooking classes, gain testimonials and social proof. People buy from proven success. Lay the groundwork for long-term success. Chapter 5. Digital products, your semi-passive goldmine. All right, now for the fun part. Creating digital products that can generate semi-passive income while you sleep. Remember all that non-passive work you did, building your expertise and gathering testimonials? Now it's time to package that knowledge into a scalable digital product. Let's stick with our healthy cooking example. Instead of just offering one-on-one coaching or local classes, you can create an online course teaching people everything they need to know about healthy cooking. This could include video lessons, downloadable recipe guides, meal plans, even a private community forum where students can connect and support each other. The beauty of digital products is that they're infinitely scalable. You only have to create them once, but you can sell them over and over again to a global audience. And because it's all online, you can automate most of the process. Chapter 6. YouTube and social media. your marketing powerhouse. Okay, you've got your skills, you've built your portfolio, you've even created an amazing digital product. Now, how do you get people to actually buy it? That's where the power of YouTube and social media comes in. These platforms are your free marketing tools, allowing you to reach a massive audience without breaking the bank. And the best part? You don't even need to show your face. That's right, you can create engaging, informative videos using simple slideshows, screen recordings, even animations. Think about it. People are constantly searching for information on YouTube. By creating valuable content related to your niche, you're positioning yourself as an expert and attracting potential customers. Let's go back to our healthy cooking example. You could create YouTube videos about easy weeknight meal prep, budget-friendly healthy recipes, even kitchen organization tips. Share your videos on other social media platforms. Embed them on your website. Get creative with your marketing. Chapter 7. Affiliate Marketing. Adding fuel to the fire. Remember Expertnaire, the platform I mentioned earlier for skill development? Well, it's also an incredible tool for adding another layer of semi-passive income to your business through affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You find a product or service you love and believe in, you sign up for their affiliate program, and then you promote that product to your audience. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like getting paid to recommend products you already use and love. Expertnaire makes it incredibly easy to find high-quality products to promote. By recommending these products alongside your course, you're providing even more value to your audience and creating multiple streams of income. It's truly passive income at its finest. Chapter 8. Reinvesting, the secret to exponential growth. Now, I know it can be tempting to go on a spending spree when you start seeing those semi-passive income streams rolling in. But trust me, the best thing you can do is reinvest a significant portion of your earnings back into your business. Think of it like planting seeds. The more seeds you plant, the more you'll eventually harvest. Reinvesting your earnings allows you to scale your business faster and reach even greater heights. So, where should you reinvest your hard-earned cash? One option is to invest in paid advertising. Platforms like YouTube ads and Facebook ads allow you to target your ideal audience with laser precision. By consistently reinvesting your earnings, you're setting yourself up for long-term sustainable growth. Chapter 9. Your path to semi-passive success. So, there you have it. My roadmap to earning $300,000 in 30 days through the power of semi-passive income. Remember, it all starts with identifying valuable skills, building a strong foundation through non-passive work, and then leveraging digital products and online platforms to create scalable income streams. It's not about get-rich-quick schemes or overnight success. It's about putting in the work, staying consistent, and never giving up on your dreams. The journey may have its challenges, but trust me, the rewards are well worth it. Imagine waking up every day without an alarm clock, setting your own schedule, and having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Imagine having the financial security to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and give back to your community. So, what are you waiting for? Start by identifying your passions and skills. The world is your oyster, my friend. Now go out there and make it happen. So, there you have it, my $300,000 semi-passive income secret. I hope this video has inspired you to start your own journey toward financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you're ready to start building your own income streams, check out the links in the description to the tools and courses I mentioned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for